Jimmy Flow, Araf bin Saleh, New York, go.
Yeah, Jimmy Flow.
One more time, 2011. Here we go. Check. I bust one for my waterfall warriors, another one for the DLB soldier. Ain't your mama told you don't mess with a soldier. Just for the record, I ain't the soldier. Hey, King Kong, hey, got shit on me. I'm Godzilla. Tell me who's the real? You sit under vanilla. You're nothing but a fecker. You just say wanna be, never be. Homie, you a sucker.
Keď vychádzam von, oblečem sa ako pán. Lovevovačku mám, OK, priznávam svoj vyjebanú reťaz. Do krku si dám a s vykladeným Jim Billom k vám si prisadám. Tak poď sem moja, nech ťa lepšie spoznám. Nech ti tvoju krásnu pusinku neď vyboskávam. Ukážem ti kúzlo a splním čo len chceš. Možno som ten pravý pre teba, no čo ty vieš?
No, huda, waterfall shooters. We here for the moolah. You better do it cooler or sell it my stone. Yeah boy, I'm the rubber. Broke them city boy, nobody does it better. Pop out, yeah boy, where the money give me that. Get down, lay down, I'ma make you stay. I been where the bullet beam fly like ping pong. So if you know the G, nigga, suck my dick down.
V 90. roku sa veľká chyba stala. Moja matka cigana s talentom porodila. Teraz cigan čaká na odpovede od ľudí, lebo klamstvo a nenávisť ho kurva nudí. Neznesem, keď Gaďo sa chce povyšovať. Neznesem, keď Slovák sa chce povyšovať. Ja som Slovák hrdý, pošlem ťa do piči. Ja som cigán hrdý, ja som ten, čo ti mysel zničí. Pravý cigán pomôže si, hoci čo sa deje. Nebudeš obrať na ulici, žebrakom sa smeje. Zarobí love, dá rodine, trochu si užije. Nahodí zlato, zlaté zuby, Hennessy si pije. Najväčší problém na Slovensku je cigánska rasa. Keď nedostaneš kulku do tela, čaká ťa basa. Skine ti ukazujú všetkým, lebo sa boja. Raz urobia chybu, cigáni sa spoja.
I see too many bitch nigga talking shit. They wanna do this, do that, fuck that shit. Nigga, I been there, done that, fuck that shit. I'ma pull it in, cut back, pull that shit. Cause tonight motherfuckers gonna see our love. You wanna talk back, bitch nigga, shut your mouth. Get on my dick, tell your baby mama to come here. Yeah, you hold an A when she put her lips on it. So many motherfuckers gonna from Ireland to UK and USA. You see niggas like them, niggas shot every day. Messing with a nigga like me, it's not an age, it's the beginning of the empire. I'ma hit your heart, drink your blood. It's the empire of the vampire. Call me Black Dracula or whatever you wanna call me. Hey, you know what? Some of these niggas don't understand you, man. You know what? But some English shit.
Alright, let me do that shit, man. Yo, listen.
Let's go. Let's go. Yeah.
Every day I wake up with some shit on my mind. Where my paper, where my pen, my head is full of rhymes. What am I supposed to do to bring someone who will be cool? Do I mean to bring back the old school? Fool, now stop, your time is up. Sit down, shut up, let me burn it up. Lots of motherfuckers sniffing no cocaine with no pain. Standing outside in the cold rain with no brain. I'm living like it ain't tomorrow. My style ain't breakable, I'm fast like sorrow. Fuck you, if you're having problems. Fuck you, come closer, I solve them. Black City, we above them. I already told them, gypsy boy, you call them. Gangsty like car, like Harlem. Motherfucker, I was
Mom's boy rich, mom's boy style, mom's boy cool.